To fully understand the magnitude of Norway's coastal highway project, one must look back through history. For centuries, Norway's fjords and waterways were the main highways of the region. The Vikings relied on the seas for exploration, trade, and communication, navigating treacherous waters with remarkable skill. Settlements developed along fjords and rivers, often isolated from each other by sheer mountains or vast water channels. For much of Norway's history, the coastline itself dictated the rhythm of life. Travel over land was difficult, slow, and dangerous. Roads existed, but only in localized pockets, connecting farms or small towns. Trade and communication depended largely on boats, making the Norwegian coastline not only a barrier, but also a lifeline. In the post-industrial era, roads began to appear, often forced through rugged terrain by drilling tunnels and carving mountainsides. But even these roads could not fully solve the challenge of connectivity. Many stretches still ended at the water, requiring ferries to continue the journey. These ferries became part of daily life, essential for commerce, commuting, and even emergency services. Yet as Norway's economy modernized, these traditional solutions proved insufficient. Ferries became bottlenecks. Travel times increased. Supply chains slowed. The limitations of the coastline's geography became impossible to ignore. A new vision was needed, a vision that could finally unify the fragmented coastal regions. From vision to planning, the coastal highway emerges. The Coastal Highway Project first emerged as an idea in government planning discussions in the early 21st century. It was at first a radical concept to create a single, uninterrupted highway along the entire western coast of Norway, connecting major cities, ports, and remote communities without relying on ferries. Engineers and planners immediately faced formidable obstacles. Some fjords were more than 1,000 meters deep. Many were dozens of kilometers wide. Sections of the open sea were exposed to violent storms, waves, and winds that could destroy conventional bridges. Traditional road-building methods simply could not be applied. Despite these challenges, Norway invested heavily in research and engineering studies. The question was no longer how to force traditional roads into impossible terrain, but how to design infrastructure that could coexist with it. Innovative solutions were developed, including floating bridges, submerged floating tunnels, and modular construction techniques that minimize environmental disruption. Political debates followed. Critics questioned the high cost, $47 billion, and whether such a massive investment was justified. Supporters argued that the long-term economic, social, and strategic benefits would far outweigh the costs. After years of planning, public consultations, and environmental assessments, the project moved forward, marking the beginning of an unprecedented era in infrastructure development. Engineering marvels, building the impossible. The engineering feats involved in the coastal highway are nothing short of extraordinary. Norway's solution combines cutting-edge technology with meticulous planning. Floating bridges. In some fjords, traditional bridges will be impossible due to depth or width. Floating bridges are anchored to the seabed but designed to move with the waves. These bridges use modular sections, allowing flexibility and resilience against storms. They can span kilometers of open water while remaining stable enough for high-speed traffic. Submerged floating tunnels. In deeper fjords, engineers turn to an even more ambitious solution: submerged floating tunnels. Massive concrete tubes are suspended below the water surface, anchored by cables or pontoons. Vehicles can pass through these tunnels without ever touching the seabed. These structures must withstand immense water pressure, tidal movement, and even seismic activity. Every tunnel is custom designed, accounting for local currents, water depth, and ecological considerations. Extreme weather adaptation. Norway's coast is known for its fierce storms, especially during winter. Engineers account for waves exceeding 10 meters, high winds, and icy conditions. Materials were carefully selected to resist corrosion and wear, while bridge and tunnel designs incorporated flexibility to absorb movement without structural damage. Environmental responsibility. Environmental protection is not an afterthought, but a guiding principle. The construction avoids disrupting marine habitats. Bridges allow fish migration beneath them. Tunnels are designed to minimize impact on the seabed, and construction schedules align with seasonal wildlife patterns. Norway's goal is to build infrastructure without sacrificing its natural heritage. Economic and social impacts. The coastal highway is more than an engineering marvel. It is an economic lifeline. By reducing travel times, the highway increases efficiency for freight transport and strengthens regional economies. Industries such as fisheries, oil, tourism, and shipping benefit directly from reliable, uninterrupted transportation. Remote communities, once isolated by fjord and mountains, now gain access to essential services, including hospitals, schools, and emergency response. This improves quality of life and encourages sustainable development across the coast. Tourism also stand to gain. Norway's dramatic fjords, islands, and coastal towns have long attracted travelers, but accessibility was limited. A continuous highway allows visitors to explore the coast more easily, boosting local economies and opening new opportunities for cultural exchange. The project also strengthens national cohesion. A country historically fragmented by natural barriers is being unified by infrastructure. The coastal highway symbolizes both progress and foresight, demonstrating that with careful planning and innovation, even the most challenging geography can be navigated. Challenges and controversy. No project of this magnitude is without risk. Critics have raised concerns about cost overruns, technical feasibility, and potential environmental impacts. $47 billion is a massive investment, and delays or failures could be financially catastrophic. Environmental groups have voiced concerns about potential disruption to marine ecosystems, sediment displacement, and changes in tidal patterns. Every tunnel and bridge must undergo rigorous testing to ensure it does not harm local wildlife or water quality. Weather remains a constant challenge. Engineers must design for worst-case scenarios, including extreme waves, landslides, and seismic activity. Redundancies are built into the system, but the scale of the project ensures that some risk is unavoidable. Despite these challenges, Norway continues to proceed methodically. Detailed studies, public consultations, and adaptive construction strategies aim to minimize risk while maximizing long-term benefit. Technological innovations. The Coastal Highway Project has driven technological innovation in multiple areas. Advanced materials. Concrete and steel must withstand harsh marine environments for decades. New composites, corrosion-resistant coatings, and high-strength alloys ensure longevity and durability. Precision engineering. Floating bridges and tunnels are constructed using modular segments designed off-site. These segments are then assembled on location with incredible precision, reducing construction time and environmental disruption. Monitoring systems. Each structure is equipped with sensors to track stress, movement, and environmental conditions in real time. This allows for early detection of potential issues and ensures ongoing safety for travelers. Sustainable construction. Modular design, off-site fabrication, and careful scheduling reduce environmental impact. Norway's engineers are pioneering methods to integrate massive infrastructure into delicate natural landscapes with minimal disruption. Cultural significance. The Coastal Highway is not only an engineering achievement, but a cultural statement. It reflects Norway's relationship with its environment, ambitious yet respectful, innovative yet cautious. Norwegians have long balanced the demands of modern life with a deep connection to nature. The Coastal Highway embodies this balance. It demonstrates that a nation can pursue progress without sacrificing its natural heritage, and that technology can be a partner to nature rather than its adversary. This road also symbolizes human ambition. It is a reminder that even in the most challenging circumstances, ingenuity, persistence, and careful planning can achieve the extraordinary. The road ahead, future transportation. The Coastal Highway is a glimpse into the future of infrastructure. It demonstrates how nations can build resilient, sustainable, and adaptive transportation systems in challenging environments. It also shows the importance of long-term thinking. While the upfront cost is immense, the benefits in economic growth, social cohesion, tourism, and environmental sustainability are projected to last generations. As autonomous vehicles, smart transport systems, and climate adaptation strategies become increasingly important, Norway's coastal highway will serve as a model for how to integrate these technologies into large-scale infrastructure projects. This is not merely a road. It is a platform for innovation, a laboratory for engineering, and a blueprint for how the world can navigate the delicate balance between progress and preservation. final reflection, and legacy. When complete, the Coastal Highway will be one of the most remarkable infrastructure achievements in modern history. It spans fjords, tunnels beneath the sea, stretches along floating bridges, and traverses the most challenging terrain in Europe. It is expensive, complex, and daring, but it is also visionary. Norway's project represents the intersection of geography, ambition, and innovation. It is a statement that human ingenuity can overcome natural obstacles, not by domination, but by understanding and collaboration with the environment. The Coastal Highway will forever change how Norwegians travel, work, and live along the coast. It will reshape economies, connect communities, and demonstrate that even in the most difficult conditions, humanity can build roads to the future. Norway's $47 billion coastal highway is more than a road. It is a testament to human ambition, a triumph of engineering, and a model for sustainable infrastructure. By embracing innovation, respecting nature, and thinking long-term, Norway is transforming its rugged coastline into a connected, resilient, and accessible landscape. Subscribe Atlas Explained for more interesting videos. If you want to know about any city or country, then comment your name, tell us what you want to know, and where you are watching from.